what a beautiful day for the market.
Yes, the sun is shining. It is not too hot.
Look at all these people. Everyone is here.
I can smell something delicious already.
It smells like fresh coffee and bread.
Can we get coffee first?
Let's walk around a little bit first.
Did you bring the reusable bags?
Yes, I have 2 canvas bags right here.
Good, we don't want to use plastic.
Where should we start?
I see a lot of fruit over there.
The sign says local organic fruit.
Local means it grows near here, right?
Yes, it comes from farms close to the city.
That means it is fresh.
Exactly. It doesn't travel on a big truck.
I love the atmosphere here.
Me too. It is so much better than the supermarket.
The supermarket is boring. This is fun.
Look at that dog.
A golden retriever. He looks happy too.
Okay, let's go to the fruit stand.
I am ready. I hope they have samples.
You always want free food.
Trying it is part of the fun.
Okay, let's go.
Lead the way. Wow, look at the color of these strawberries.
They're so red. They look perfect.
And look at these peaches. They are huge.
Excuse me, are these peaches sweet?
Look, there's a plate with samples.
Go ahead, try a piece.
This is amazing.
Is it sweet?
It is very sweet and juicy. You try one.
Okay, I will try a small piece.
What do you think?
Oh, wow, that tastes like summer.
We have to buy some.
How much are they?
The sign says $3 per pound.
That is a little expensive.
But the quality is better than the store.
True. Okay, let's get 3 peaches.
Only 3? Let's get 5.
We can't eat 5 before they go bad.
I can eat 5 today. Trust me.
Fine, pick 5 good ones.
I am looking for the soft ones.
Don't squeeze them too hard.
I am being gentle.
These strawberries look good too.
Let's get a basket of strawberries.
Okay, put them in the bag carefully. Now we need vegetables for dinner.
What are we cooking tonight?
I don't know yet. Let's see what is fresh.
Look at this corn.
Corn on the cob. That sounds good.
We can grill it.
Yes, grilled corn with butter.
How many should we get?
Let's get 4 ears of corn.
Okay, I will pick them.
Look at these tomatoes. They're different colors.
Red, yellow, and purple?
They're called heirloom tomatoes.
They look kind of ugly.
No, they're beautiful, and they taste great.
Okay, we can make a salad.
A salad with tomatoes and cucumbers.
Do we have cucumbers at home?
I think we finished them yesterday.
Let's buy 1 cucumber then.
Look at the size of the zucchini.
It is as big as my arm.
That is too big. The small ones taste better.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, the big ones are watery.
You know a lot about vegetables.
I watch cooking shows, Tom.
Okay, Chef Sarah. What else?
Just some onions and we're done.
Okay, we have the healthy stuff.
Yes, fruit and vegetables.
Now follow your nose.
It smells like cinnamon and sugar.
The bakery stand is right there.
Look at those loaves of bread.
Sourdough, whole wheat, rye.
We need bread for the week.
Let's get a loaf of sourdough.
Is it sliced?
No, it is a whole loaf. We have to slice it.
That keeps it fresh longer.
Sarah, look at the pastries.
Oh my, croissants and muffins.
Can we get a treat?
Well, it is Sunday.
I want that chocolate croissant.
It looks very rich.
We can share it. Half for you, half for me.
Okay, that sounds fair.
And maybe a blueberry muffin?
No, Tom, just one treat.
You are very strict.
I am practical. We have peaches to eat too.
Okay, one chocolate croissant, please.
Do you have cash?
Yes, they don't take cards here.
Good thing you brought small bills.
Here is $5.
Wait, stop here for a second.
What is it?
The flowers, they're so pretty.
Do we need flowers?
We don't need them, but they make the house nice.
They will die in a few days.
Tom, don't be so negative.
I am just practical, like you.
Flowers bring joy. Look at these sunflowers.
They are very bright and yellow.
Or the tulips, pink and purple.
I like the sunflowers better.
Why?
They look happy, like the sun.
Okay, let's get a bunch of sunflowers.
How much is a bunch?
It says $10 for 5 stems.
That is a good price.
Which bunch do you like?
This one, the petals are perfect.
It is a big bunch.
Do we have a vase big enough?
Yes, the glass vase on the dining table.
It will look good in the kitchen.
I will pay for this. It is my treat.
Thank you.
Now our shopping is done.
The bags are getting heavy. My arms are tired.
The vegetables are heavy.
Let's sit on that bench over there.
Good idea. We can listen to the music.
Is that a guitar player?
Yes, someone is playing live music.
This is nice. Put the bags down.
Be careful with the eggs and the peaches.
Don't worry, they are safe.
Okay, let's eat our croissant.
I will break it in half.
It is still warm.
Here is your half.
Thank you. The chocolate is melting.
This is delicious.
It is worth the calories.
I love Sunday mornings like this.
No work, no stress, just good food.
And good company.
That is sweet, Tom.
We should do this every week.
We can come back next Sunday.
Next time, I want to try the cheese.
Okay, next week is Cheese Week.
Are you ready to go home?
Yes, let's go cook that corn.
I am hungry for lunch now.
Let's go. Grab the bags.